I have an iPhone 6 Plus here. Lots of these 6 Pluses these days. It's got a little bit of screw damage, but I replaced the Touch IC on this thing, and then the backlight went out. So now I'm trying to figure out what's wrong with the backlight, and then kind of go from there. But I suspect that, you know what? I think I reballed these already. So I don't know. I think I did reball them. I tested all the backlight, and I could not figure out what the problem was. Anyways, I am going to replace this puppy again. And I hope it's not the long screw damage, okay? I'm going to replace this one again. I'm going to replace it with a new chip, I think. Yeah, I think I'm going to replace it with a new chip. See if that fixes it, okay? Just because the heat is right below this thing. So if that's a problem, then it would make sense. I don't know what the problem is, but we will explore it together. I finally got some 3/4 inch Kapton, which fits perfectly. So that solves everything. I think I'm just gonna replace this one. I'm not gonna, because I think I reballed it a little while ago. I don't remember exactly what I did. I'm pretty sure I reballed it. And that didn't fix it, so I'm gonna replace it. That's not good. Remove the bridge! Remove the bridge! Come on. Go away, bridge. Alright, I think the bridge is gone. Okay, bridge is gone. Pads are somewhat cleaned. Somewhat cleaned here. All right, that's clean enough. So let's get a new chip out. What is this? U1580. 1502. Same thing, right? Yes. I know it as U1502. So let me take a look, see where my U1502 is. There it is, U1502. These things are like $2 a chip, I think, AliExpress. Maybe $3 a chip. Got about like 6 more left. Or you can take it from donor board. But I'm not going to chance it because I've already done it once, so I'm not going to do it again. Alright. So let's get a little bit of flux again. You know what, let's use tacky. My tacky squirts out easily, so And then alright, let's see if it fixes my backlight problem. Then I can I broke one of my rules right there of putting IPA on it before it cooled down. Dagger. Anyways, let's see if this works, okay? I'm gonna pause it and I'll check it. So that did not fix the problem. I'm gonna replace the other backlight IC. I hope I'm not chasing something because there is long screw damage, but I don't know if it's. I just don't know if long screw damage can cause the backlight problem or not. But I guess if I replace all of the backlight system, right, and it still doesn't work, then you can say, oh, long screw damage. I don't know. It was working when I got it, so. I mean, backlight IC is something I normally replace. Something I replace last, not first. But this is easy enough, so I'm just gonna do it. Shite. Alright. Put a little flux on here. I mean, the backlight system is not that complicated. 1, 2, 3 filters, a few caps in between to hold the line, and then you got two backlight ICs, two right here, two caps, two diodes, and then a few smaller caps here. I mean, I tested diodes. Diodes are fine, and you got coils, two coils here. So it's possible it could be the coils. I mean, I can replace the coils as well. It's not a huge deal. Anyways, let's see if it's that or not. Let's see if it's the second. Still doesn't work. So what do I do now? I tested the diodes here. They checked out fine. It's like 0.2 volts one direction, OL the other direction. Tested the coils. They're both reading about 0.9 ohms, which is normal. Caps aren't shorting to ground, but I'm gonna replace those. I'm gonna replace the caps next, because that is the next easiest step here. I don't know what's wrong with this backlight. I mean, this. So, anyways, caps are fairly easy. So. So that's one cap. Two caps. So before I replace them, I'm just gonna test these things, just to make sure that they are. Let's check the resistance on them first, okay? Ouch, that's hot. They're both pretty high. It's like mega ohms, so it's not like low resistance or anything like that. They're 10 microfarads. You know what? I'm gonna measure the inductance on this, or the capacitance. and with my multimeter. So this says keeps jumping. This one keeps jumping. And this one doesn't jump. Nope. Oh, dang it. It's gone now. Fuck it. It's gone. I lost it. Too much. This is alright. Alright, that should be good. Let's get some new caps out. What did I say it was? 10 microfarad 0603 25 volts. Hopefully I have that. I don't have it. 10 microfarad 0603. Those are big ones. I'm gonna put that on the list. Anyways, I'll use my donor board for now. Just those things don't break very often, maybe. I'm gonna do it under here because it's gonna probably take a little bit of heat. Ah! Shit. I felt the cap. Oh, here it is. Dang it. The spring on my logic board holder here crapped out. You know what? That's not good right there. I'm right directly on the CPU. Damn it. Alright, let's move this over. So messy here. These are the same ones? Hold up. That's not this. That's not even the one that I just took out. The one that I took out is MIA. I know it hit my. I felt it down here somewhere. All right. Well, I'm not gonna find that. No chance. No chance. All right, let's harvest it from somewhere else. Shit. Okay. Alright, that's pretty good. Let's maybe clean it up a little bit. I mean, I don't even know if these caps are any better than the ones that I just replaced. Look kind of cruddy. Alright, let's see if this works now. I replaced pretty much the entire backlight system. I don't think there's anything else to replace here. If this still doesn't work, then I'm going to assume long screw damage. And then I don't know where to go from there. Alright, so I'm going to end this repair here. I replaced the entire backlight system, and the backlight is still dead. And then I looked at my magnetic mat, and I noticed that the long screw was definitely in the lower right here. So I took the screw holder down out here, and yep, sure enough, I mean, there is screw damage, and it would make sense because let's look at the screw hole here, okay, and this is U1580, which I just replaced, okay, and if you look at it, all these right here are tied into U1580 right here, so it's not good. It's not good. I don't fix long screw damage. I should probably do it. It's kind of one thing that I just haven't gotten around to yet, learning how to do it efficiently to make it worth the money. But so anyways, this is a touch IC repair. with long screw damage. So the long screw damage kind of trumps the Touch IC now. This was actually a warranty repair, so it was working. The guy sent it back. I unscrewed it. Backlight was working, and then it went to shit. It flickered and just kind of died, and I've been chasing this whole backlight thing for hours now, and I probably should have just popped this open first instead of chasing the whole backlight system, just because I noticed it initially, you know. So, what do we do here? I mean, honestly, like, probably cheaper to get a new phone than it would be to fix this at this point, you know. Touch IC is no problem, but long screw damage. So, anyways, this is I wouldn't even say a Touch IC failed repair. This is a long screw damage on top of the Touch IC, and yeah, there's no easy solution from here. So I will work it out with the customer, and but this is what happens sometimes. I'm pretty sure I didn't do it, but and then he said he didn't do it. I mean, the guy who sent it to me said he didn't do it. So maybe somebody else touched it in between here and mixed up the screws, and that's where we're gonna go. All right, that's it.